Hello there, it's Chris from CDIT Solutions here in Excel today, and I'm going to be showing you how to perform an if statement. Okay, so what we have here, what I produced is a very simple spreadsheet showing expenditure over 4 quarters for 4 zones, zone A, B, C and D. Okay, and I put some totals along the side and some totals along the bottom. I'm going to click in cell G2, and I'm going to now perform an if statement that basically the logic behind it is if a zone has spent under £1,000 and they have succeeded in their budget. If they have spent £1,000 or gone over £1,000, then they have failed, and we want to have a value in column G that explains that to the person who's going to be reading this report. So let's make a start. Equals if, and open the bracket. You'll see that Excel tells you how the statement is made up underneath. I'm going to explain that anyway. So equals, open bracket, cell F2, and if F2 is less than 1,000, so that's the basis of the if statement, has this zone, therefore their grand total over the 4 quarters, have they spent less than £1,000, yes or no, or true or false. So we're going to put a comma, and now you'll see here that it's gone bold where it says value if true. So we're going to put in some text, so quotation mark, and then I'm going to put success, then a comma, and then I'm going to put in if this statement here, if is F2 less than 1,000, if it is false, therefore they've spent equal to or over 1,000, then the cell's going to say failure. And that's the way an if statement works. If what you're putting there, the argument as it were, if this cell is something or reflects something, if that is true, then after the comma is what you return as a true value, then you put a comma, then you say if it isn't true, therefore false, you produce another value. So here we should expect when I see return for this cell to say success, and it does. If I click in that cell and drag down over the other 4, you'll see that the people who have gone to town and blown their budget come up as being a failure, where the others are all success. That is how to do an if statement in Excel. I've used Excel 2007, but the if statement logic has been the same in other versions of Excel that I've used preceding this, certainly Excel 2003. Okay then, so thank you very much for watching. It's Chris from CDIT Solutions. All the best for now. Look forward to producing another video for you again soon. Okay, bye for now. Bye.